Looking for a kitchen appliance that can handle everything from baking to broiling, and do it all with precision? The Cuisinart Chef's Convection Oven packs 1800 watts of power to deliver fast, even cooking across 15 different functions. Whether you're craving a perfectly toasted bagel or a fresh 13-inch pizza, this oven promises consistent results every time. What sets this oven apart is its versatility and thoughtful design. It's roomy enough to fit a 13-inch pizza, a 9x13 baking pan, or even 9 slices of bread at once. The non-stick interior makes cleanup a breeze, while the large blue backlit display and door sensor add convenience and control. Plus, the exact heat sensor maintains precise oven temperatures, so your food cooks evenly without guesswork. I've tested this oven with everything from homemade cobblers and rolls to frozen fish fillets and broccoli casseroles. Every dish came out spot on, thanks to the accurate thermostat and reliable timer. The multiple convection settings, including a speed convection mode, give you flexibility to cook refrigerated or frozen foods with ease. Even without an official air fry setting, it outperforms many standalone air fryers by delivering crisp, golden results. Included with the oven are practical accessories like a 13-inch pizza stone, 2 cooking racks, an enamel baking pan, and a broiling pan, everything you need to get started right away. The interior light, front pull-out crumb tray, and 2-hour timer add even more convenience. It's a well-rounded package that's built to last, backed by a limited 3-year warranty and BPA-free materials. Worth a look if you want a single appliance that replaces multiple gadgets and handles a wide range of cooking tasks. The Cuisinart Chef's Convection Oven is designed and sourced in the USA, with assembly in China, combining quality with value. If you're ready to simplify your cooking routine without sacrificing performance, this oven is a smart choice. If that's you, try the Cuisinart Chef's Convection Oven when you're ready. It's more than just a toaster oven, it's your new kitchen workhorse, helping you cook faster, cleaner, and with confidence every day.